see who has turned up in the accident and emergency department.
At the emergency department in Sheffield, 9-year-old Tanny is waiting with her mum and a heap of bloody tissues.
Who knows what happened?
I suddenly started to have a nosebleed at school and then I had to go home because it was that big.
Crikey, tell me more.
Tanny loves skipping with her mates.
Don't we all? I skip loads of things. Washing up? I don't think so. Picking up my smelly socks? Yeah, right.
That's my sock! Anyway, Tanny loves jump rope skipping.
Well, I do that too.
She was skipping away in the school playground
Boing, boing.
when her nose began to bleed and just would not stop.
Get her some tissues. Ouch.
Tanny's nose has been bleeding for 25 minutes.
Hi, come through.
Don't forget your tissues.
Just in case.
Dr. Alex Damazar to the rescue. And she must be good, because Tanny's nose has just stopped bleeding.
So today, you've had one that stopped a few minutes ago.
Tanny has been having nosebleeds since she was 3 years old. She gets them all the time.
The inside of your nose is lined with lots of blood vessels. They're very close to the surface, and they're easily damaged, creating a nosebleed. The damage can be caused by lots of things, including dry air, sneezing, or picking.
How do you stop your nose from bleeding when it's bleeding?
I sometimes pinch the soft tissue here,
Tick,
get some tissue,
Tick.
or I use ice.
tick.
So you're an expert at nosebleeds.
Well done, Tanny. That's spot on.
Let's have a look at your nose. You always bleed from the same side? Yeah. This side, huh? You're right. Yeah, I can tell. I'm going to go and have a chat with one of the others, either the registrars or the consultants, and talk about cauterization.
Cauterization is a procedure to seal the blood vessels, which will stop Tanny getting nosebleeds.
Find out if this works for Tanny later on.
Remember Tanny and her bleeding nose? Her bleeding nose what? Her bleeding nose. Yes, what does it know? You said her bleeding nose something. What is the something? What does it know? What? Her bleeding nose. Finish the sentence! Let's find out how she's getting on.
Earlier, Tanny and her mum arrived in the emergency department with...
A humongous pile of tissues.
and one of her many nosebleeds.
Tanny was skipping with her mates in the school playground
When her nose began to bleed and it wouldn't stop.
Ouch! This isn't unusual for Tanny.
Here's Dr. Joe Stone with a plan to stop the nosebleeds for good.
Dr. Joe starts by using a spray which is a local anaesthetic. It numbs Tanny's nose so she can't feel any pain.
But it doesn't taste too good.
Then, Dr. Joe gets a stick with a chemical on the end called silver nitrate to cauterize her nose.
Is it like a bit of a fire thing, like a spark?
No, not at all.
Don't worry, Tanny, there's not a sparkler in sight. Cauterization means to carefully burn and destroy unwanted tissue.
The silver nitrate on the end of the stick softly burns the troublesome blood vessel, sealing it up and stopping it from ever bleeding again. It sounds drastic, but it's very gentle, and with the anaesthetic, Tanny doesn't feel a thing.
You're all done.
No, it was not that bad.
She shouldn't pick it, blow it, try not to sneeze too much, and hopefully it should go back to normal within about 5 days.
Hopefully my nosebleeds won't start again.
Well, fingers crossed that's done the trick. Bye!
Bye.